Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make something I call a Flame Daiquiri using FlameBringer Rum from Brewstillery. To make this drink, we are going to start with a simple syrup. And I'm using a 1-to-1 cane sugar, raw cane sugar, simple syrup. I'm going to put an ounce of that in. An ounce is 30 milliliters. Next, fresh squeezed lime juice. And we're going to put in 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. Next, the rums. I'm going to give you some options on how much to put in. I'm shooting for 2 ounces of rum. This FlameBringer Rum does have some heat, so you're going to have to find your own comfort level with how much to put in. Me, I'm going to put in 1/4 ounce, which is 7.5 milliliters. If you like it spicy, bump it up. Then, to add up to 2 ounces, I'm going to add in 1 3/4 ounces of a white rum. 1 3/4 ounces is 52.5 milliliters. Double check my math, and I may make a correction down below in the subtitles. I am just using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. You can use a white rum that you like. Add your ice, and give it a shake. I'm going to single strain this into my Anderson Ancestral coupe. You don't have to use an Anderson Ancestral coupe, you can use a coupe that you have. And I am single straining. Finally, the garnish. Like most daiquiris, we're going to garnish this with a lime wheel. Like so. And there you have it, a Flame Daiquiri using FlameBringer Rum from Brewstillery. Drink with good spirits.